This is what you're gonna need. Here's your tools. First things first, assess the situation. I see that I have a nail and it is obviously leaking. If it's not leaking, spit on it. All right, and then she'll bubble, or spray some water on there, whatever you want to do.
So you're gonna need a drill with a drill bit about the size of your push tool, okay? Use that to waller it out after you pull it. You're gonna pull it out with this. If it ain't gonna come, you're gonna have to use that. Put one of these little rubber air stoppers, put it in the tool, and then you're gonna shove that sucker in there. Let me show you.
All right, so I'm fixing to be doing all this one-handed. So after I get my little rubber deal out, I normally bite the tip to make it flat. Then you're gonna pull it through and get it halfway. That's how you want it right there. All right, let's get this nail out. Ended up getting my chest rig out for this one. So this is honestly seeming like a screw. Oh, we're gonna have to get something with a little more bite. A pair of side cutters should do the job. Right there. All right, so it's definitely a screw. Hole's big enough. Should be able to pop this thing out. I'll run the drill in a little bit. Get that ready. This ready right here. Put the drill in reverse. All right, I'm gonna stand up for this and just bow up on that thing. This is a great way to get a hernia. All right, now I like to take mine pretty far in there. Leave about, I'd say, 1/4 inch up. That gives me a lot of play to be able to pull this thing out. Also a great way to bust your knuckle, but just pull it out quick, like a cat. I ain't gonna spit it on it this time. Use a little bit of Febreze, actually just water in here. See that? There ain't no bubbles coming out. That means she's good to go. Fill this tire back full of air. She's rocking and rolling again. Thanks, guys.